Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my office here in the home. Thank you for visiting with me. I worked at IRS for a decade. I was a teaching instructor at IRS, and I've been in private practice for 41 years. So I give you the both. I was the IRS, so the things I tell you is all from my IRS experience and working with IRS on the outside, which is tough to do. It's like being in prison and now being out of prison. I've worked thousands of cases, obviously. I've been doing this a long time. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I do thank you for visiting with me. I want to talk to you today about the CP504 notice. It's panic mode for most people when you get that 504. It's kind of, oh my God, what's happening? What do I got to do? Well, you can kind of relax. IRS has sent you a bunch of notices, and IRS has an inventory they have to close, just like anyone else. If you have a store, you have inventory, you got to sell it. That's what IRS does. IRS has you as one of their products they're trying to sell or take you off the IRS enforcement computer system. And whether you owe, I don't know, $10, whether you owe $10 million, whatever the debt is, you have an account with IRS that needs to be closed, and right now you're in the IRS computer system. I preach this all the time. I got a bunch of videos out. I post these and then I'll get another call on a 504. So I keep adding to these so people know, is like, am I in panic mode? Was this something going to happen right away? Well, it will. If you don't act on this letter, you got to know what's happening. So all of IRS's stuff, letters just come out systematically. When I say you're in the computer system, IRS has the K2 computer system, CAD, the computer system, and they just generate all these notices out there. When you call them, the 1-800 number, it goes to whichever service center is open through the tracking system, and someone picks up the phone. It's a shit show. Who knows where you're going to go if you call the second time? Who knows where it'll go? You'll keep getting different people. Anyway, you got to get your case closed. IRS is ready to take enforcement action against you. The 504 letter is like the hammer. You're going to get one more letter after this, but they do intend to take your bank account and your wages. You can stop all that, but you have to call IRS, and you have to know what you're doing when you call them. Now, don't get too scared. If you don't owe a lot of money, just pick up the phone and call them. If you don't have a lot of assets, you don't have a lot of income, boom, do this yourself. I tell people all the time, IRS is going to follow up. This is a serious letter. Most of you got this letter certified. So if you did, that means IRS is really going to do something kind of serious if they sent this out certified. You're going to have your 30 days after the letter, and you're going to get another letter in another 2 weeks. And after that, it's lights out. IRS cannon shoots, liens, levies, wage garnishments, everything. IRS wants you to close the case. What does that mean, close the case? They want a financial statement to either put you into currently non-collectible or a payment agreement. That's what they're trying to do. Now, some of you, 13,000 across the United States, got their offer and compromise through, but you've got to look at a financial statement before to see if you can settle your debt. So we do that real well. If you need representation, give me a call. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. IRS is going to ask that right away when you call them. I worked thousands of these cases. I'm happy to go ahead and help you. Give me a subscription, and yeah, but please follow up on this letter. They're all time sensitive. IRS will follow up. No matter of fact, the computer follows up, just so you know. Give me a subscription. You're welcome to call me. I answer my own phone. I work on large debt cases. Like I said, I'm one of the national experts in this. Thank you for listening. Thank you for this subscription. I appreciate your time.